Honor of Kings is a highly popular mobile MOBA, multiplayer online battle arena, game developed by Tencent Games. Released in 2015, it is one of the top-grossing and most-played mobile games in China. In Honor of Kings, players form teams and compete in 5v5 battles on a map divided into lanes. The objective is to destroy the enemy's base while defending your own. Each player selects a hero with unique abilities and roles, such as tank, assassin, or mage, and collaborates with teammates to achieve strategic goals, secure objectives, and defeat opponents. The game is known for its deep strategic gameplay, diverse hero roster, and frequent updates that introduce new content and balance adjustments. Its popularity has led to a strong esports scene and various spin-off titles, including international versions like Arena of Valor. Honor of Kings has a significant impact on the mobile gaming. Crossfire is a popular first-person shooter (FPS) game developed by South Korean company Smilegate and published in China by Tencent Games. Originally launched in 2007, Crossfire has become one of the most played online FPS games in the world, particularly in China, where it has a massive player base. The game features two mercenary factions, the Blacklist and Global Risk, who battle each other in various game modes, including Team Deathmatch, Search and Destroy, and Free for All. Crossfire is known for its fast-paced gameplay, wide variety of weapons, and diverse maps that offer different tactical challenges. One of the game's standout features is its Ghost Mode, where one team is invisible and armed only with melee weapons, adding a unique twist to traditional FPS gameplay. Crossfire has also spawned a mobile version, Crossfire Legends, and inspired a range of media adaptations, including a television series and an upcoming film. Fantasy Westward Journey is a popular MMORPG, massively multiplayer online role-playing game. Developed and published by NetEase, one of China's leading gaming companies. The game, first released in 2004, is inspired by the classic Chinese novel Journey to the West, and it has since become one of China's most enduring and beloved online games. Set in a richly detailed world rooted in Chinese mythology, Fantasy Westward Journey allows players to choose from various character classes and races, each with unique abilities. The game features turn-based combat, where players can team up with others to complete quests, battle monsters, and engage in large-scale PvP, player versus player battles. Fantasy Westward Journey is particularly known for its vibrant art style, deep social systems, and extensive customization options. Over the years, it has consistently ranked among the top MMORPGs in China, maintaining a loyal player base.